How to log into Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to log into Diablo Immortal, here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Diablo Immortal game on your device, and once you are inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now go ahead and select the gear icon at the top right. And right now I'm currently using a guest account. If you want to go ahead and log into your account, then you'll need to go ahead and sign in to battle.net account. From this settings interface, select account on the left and click on login on the next page. This will now open up this expanded pop-up menu where you need to go ahead and sign in your battle.net credentials. Go ahead and enter a valid email and then your password in the password field. If you don't remember your password for your battle.net account, tap on Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. After you are done typing in the credentials, click Login to sign into your battle.net account. Now go ahead and enter the security code sent to your registered email inbox. Open up your email inbox first and find the email from battle.net. Click it open and paste in the code that you received. Now click the continue button. Once the credential is correct, you'll be signed in. So there you have it. You have successfully logged in to your Diablo Immortal account. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.